What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Lamar's World. Today I'm gonna be telling you about different types of slime YouTubers or whatever. Yeah, I'm kind of sick and my face is like this because I just woke up right now. So yeah, let's get started. Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing some poking for this slime like I promised, so let's get started. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? We start to dance and now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. What's up, guys? Today I'm super angry because I ordered a crunchy rice slime. Is this crunchy? Is it rice? Like, seriously. You want to see it close? See it? Like, it does smell like rice, but it's not. It's not. Trust me. It's just not rice. Look. Can't believe they did that. This is actually the worst package. So guys, here's the slime. It's amazing. It's this beautiful pink color. Looks pretty good. Stretches and everything. You could probably see it, so yeah, it's amazing, I know. So guys, here's the slime. I know it's really cool. It got these flakes in it. Yeah, I made it homemade. Don't worry. Look at it. That's amazing. Can you hear this? Can you hear that? Can you see it? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry if the noises are super loud, but yeah, look at it. Amazing. So guys, as you know, I promise you that I will give you this amazing slime. Yeah, this is like my favorite slime, but don't worry, I'm still gonna give you it because I promised. Tomorrow is gonna go to someone, I forgot her name, but yeah, it's a girl and I forgot her name. But actually, this is my favorite, so I don't know about that, but I'll give you it tomorrow, so yeah. So guys, the next one is the person that has a lot of slime in there. Just take a little bit and just show you it. So guys, look how freaking big is this slime. Let me just show you. Like, what's that? Look how much slime there is. You could poke it. You could stretch it. You could do a swirl with it. Let's try doing a swirl with it. Okay, I didn't quite see that. Okay, so amazing, I know. Look how much slime. I'm so happy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Peace.